My name is Vipra Karkare and I'm from basically from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, currently based in Glasgow, United Kingdom, and I'm a full-time contemporary artist. My art journey began pretty much when I was a kid because basically my mother wanted me to pursue art, and she was very interested for me to learn artwork. So she used to just leave me in my drawing classes, painting classes, and honestly, as a kid, I was not very much interested in art, so I used to run away from the art classes, and she used to force me to do that. But gradually, I developed an interest in art, and then I went ahead practicing artwork since childhood, and yeah, here I am. I think any art of today is contemporary art. Example, it can be acrylic painting, knife painting in terms of painting. Even photography is a contemporary art. So anything which is the art of today is contemporary art, is what I feel. If you have a look at my paintings, most of the paintings are based on nature. So I mostly draw an inspiration from nature because wherever I go, I just keep on clicking pictures, I keep on observing things around me, and yeah, that's where I draw my inspiration from. Here are some of my artworks. This is a nature painting which I have created, which is based on a sunset. I love sunsets, so yeah, there are certain paintings which I have made on sunsets. These are watercolor paintings. I have some night paintings as well. I love stars. I love gazing at stars. So these are the paintings which I create. And I love urban scenes as well, mostly found in India. I love making these. Then I love birds, and mostly peacock. So this is one of my paintings. Well, I think in order to improve your skills as an artist, I think consistency is the key, because you just need to keep practicing and getting better with that. There's no other way. You cannot become an artist in a day. So yeah. Consistency is the key. I must say that I just can't imagine being away from art. So art is a part of my daily routine. Maybe my day starts with art and it ends with art. So now, as I am a full-time artist, so yeah, it's a part of my life. I just can't imagine. It's a kind of routine for me that I have decided that I have to create at least one artwork every day, maybe a small one or a big one, that depends. So if it is a big artwork, it might take around 3 to 4 days for me to complete. If it is a small artwork or a watercolor painting, I might just complete it in a day. So yeah, but it is a routine for me. This is an artwork. This one is inspired by one of the artists I follow, and I keenly follow this artist because I just love knife painting, and this one is inspired by Mona Edulesco, whom I follow keenly. This is one. This is another one. I think this is the Doodle Door here in the UK. I think that the whole reason why we have planned a contemporary art workshop with a traditional art workshop is because, of course, the artists whom we are learning the traditional arts with, they are awarded artists, and definitely they are very good with their works. But of course, if you want to start with, and as a beginner, if you want to gain the skills from the beginning for these traditional art forms, you might want to go for a contemporary art workshop as well, because whatever skills are required for these traditional art workshops, I think those core skills you would be able to get from the contemporary art workshop. So yeah, a contemporary art workshop would definitely help you to increase your skills, polish your skills with traditional art workshops, and also I think that it will broaden your view, because of course you are combining contemporary and traditional artwork together. The current situation as well, and sometimes we are so busy with our lives that we are not able to actually visit physically to those places, but we can definitely recreate them in our art pieces. For example, we spoke about the Venice, or maybe we spoke about the Eiffel Tower, and you're not able to go to those places right now, especially with the current situation, COVID, and we're not sure when things would fall into place. But with arts, definitely you can recreate those places and revisit those places which you really love. in respect to learning, where people would learn the traditional form of art, which is now very rare, and very less people are practicing that. But I'm sure there are a lot of people who are interested to learn these art forms. So from that point of view, it is wonderful. It is also wonderful from the artist point of view, because Caterpillar has provided a platform to these artists, of course myself, to showcase their artworks, because this is quite rare these days, and especially for traditional art forms. Plus, I myself have attended a few of the workshops from the traditional art forms, and I must say that it is the best to learn from these artists, because these people have been practicing this since generations, and they are the best ones to provide knowledge on these. So yeah.